So in this video, I'm going to go over how I like to structure my PMax feed-only campaigns. Now, I've been doing quite a lot of work on feed-only campaigns recently because we've actually been getting quite good results at growth with the agency. But the question is, why feed-only? The main reason we like to use feed-only PMax campaigns is by having minimal assets, as in minimal images, minimal ad copy, minimal videos, as in no videos, we can basically encourage PMax to spend as much as possible in Google Shopping, because that is where we normally find the best ROAS lies for our clients. Now, this isn't the case all the time. We always in our strategies have full asset PMax campaigns and one feed only campaign. What we're going to go over here first is actually some testing I've been doing recently. So what we see here is 3 different asset groups that I've been running for a particular product group. Well, first of all, it starts off as a single product, but then I put it into a product group because we're getting better performance there. But what we can see is this first one is called full assets. The second one is feed only and audience signals. And the final one is feed only. And what we can see the results here is that the clear winner, based off nearly 200 euros of spend, was the feed only and audience signals. And this is what we've been running across all of our other clients following this. But let me explain what the actual structure means. So we mean minimal assets plus your audience signals plus your search themes. That's the way we like to run them, and it works really well. But when we're talking feed only assets, what do we mean by that? The minimal assets. We mean only 3 headlines, only 1 long headline, 2 descriptions, 2 images, because that's what we have to do. I like to put a logo in, the business name, 0 videos, 0 site links, and 0 extensions at all. We basically want to give it as minimal asset to run ads on either search or display or YouTube. We don't want it running anywhere else but shopping. That's the aim. And a really good way to measure the actual success of whether this is working or not is by using a PMax script. By injecting a PMax script we use at the agency, we can see where the spend is allocated within our PMax campaign, and it's really useful to know. So let's run through it here. So what we see here is this is our split of campaigns we have here, and this bottom one is the one I did the testing in. And what we can see is we have the majority of our spend going to shopping, a little bit going to video, and then also other costs, which is typically search. What we can see by doing this, by having minimal assets within our feed-only PMax campaign and encouraging it to go to shopping, we spend the most there. And that's where the best ROAS lies for our clients, and that's what keeps them happy. So that's what we do. Talking of clients, if you'd like to become a growth client, please go down in the description. There's a link to our website, and you can book a meeting with us, and we can go over your goals and how you'd like to turn around your Google Ads accounts. Okay, thank you guys. I'll see you in the next.